Hello class 4. Now in the third part of the lesson, we will know about digestion of food. The food we eat is digested by the digestive system in our body. This is the digestive system of our body. The nutrients in our food are broken into simpler substance and are absorbed by the blood. The whole process is called digestion. The system, the whole process of nutrients from the food breaking into simpler substance is known as digestion. The main digestive organs of the body are mouth, food pipe, stomach, intestine, large intestine, pancreas, gallbladder and anus. These are the different parts of digestive system. Now next is process of digestion. Digestion of the food starts in our mouth. The teeth break solid food into smaller pieces. The saliva gets mixed with these particles. Saliva also help in breaking the starch into sugar. The food goes through the food pipe or esophagus and passes to the stomach. The stomach with the movements break the nutrients into smaller, simpler form by adding juices and passes this into the intestines. Now what happens when we eat food? The digestion starts from our mouth only. The food is mixed with the saliva and it is broken into smaller pieces, and it helps us in breaking starch into sugar. Then the food goes into the food pipe or esophagus. This is the food pipe. This is the food pipe or esophagus. And there the food is from there it goes to the food goes in the stomach. The stomach with the movement break the nutrients into similar form. It breaks into simpler form and add juices and then it passes in the intestine. Protein are digested in the stomach. The food in the stomach becomes like a thick soup and passes into the small intestine, and from the stomach it becomes like a thick soup and it goes in the small intestine. The small intestine is a long coiled tube. Have you seen a small intestine? This is the small intestine. It is a coiled tube, and from there the food goes in the large intestine. The liver and the pancreas pass the juices into the intestine, which help in complete digestion of the nutrients. Now what happens? The liver and the pancreas, they secrete juices which goes in the intestine and it help in digestion of all the nutrients. The liver secrete bile that help in digest fat, and the liver secrete bile juice. The simple form of nutrient is mixed with the blood, and this nutrient is mixed in the blood. The nutrient rich blood is passed to other part of the body through the blood vessels, and this blood is passed through blood vessels in the whole body and we get energy. The undigested food goes in the large intestine. The blood vessels in the wall of large intestine absorbs the extra water and carry out to the kidney, and it absorbs all the water and it goes in the kidney. The semi-solid waste is thrown out from the anus. Now, this is the lesson of our body. Food and digestion. How does the body digest the food? Okay.